Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 frame drops. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, click here and then go to device manager, go to display adapters, right click, update the first option and do the same thing to the next one. After that, go to graphics settings. Now check for updates, enable the first option here, and then after that you need to check for updates. Go to Windows, update settings, and then check for updates, and that's it. Install all the updates that you can find and then go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates, and then download and install the latest update for your graphics card. Settings, scroll down, enable image scaling, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.